Hi, Tool. Today we will have the continuation of our lesson yesterday, okay, about verb. So this is the part 2 of our lesson. So let's revise again what is a verb. Okay, a verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence, the word that is doing something. So we did this yesterday as my example. Okay, like play, skip, eat, and is. So, yesterday I mentioned this. These are the verb that is a present tense. Okay, it's happening now. And even though this one, I show you yesterday that all of them are in the present tense. Okay, so here, if you can see now, okay, so here in the present tense, you have the verbs to be, is, and are. So all of them are present tense, okay? And the past tense is was and were, okay? So our lesson for today, we are going to concentrate more on past tense, okay? So we have the regular verbs. Okay, if it is regular, you just add ed. Okay, but make sure that before you add ed, you need to know the rule how to add ed. Okay, so we have the regular verbs, and the other one is we have the irregular verb. So regular verbs, you are not going to add ed, is already in a past tense. It's totally changed. For example, here you have run, it will be a run. So drive, so the past tense is drove. Eat, ate. Cry, or say cries, it will be cried. Okay, so we have the regular and irregular verbs. So for our lesson for today, we are going to so we are going to read again this story about a visit to aunties. Okay? For our lesson, we are going to find the past tense. Okay? So let's read again here and we will find what are the past tense here. Okay? So a visit to aunties. Everybody in said that. By the way, said is a past tense. The present tense of this is say, okay, cheerily. Then off we go. We're going to be a nice and early. Down the road, they drove. So drove is a past tense, okay? What is the present tense of this one is drive. Mom, Dad, me, and Jean. Down the road, round the corner, and past the park. Auntie is going to love our little giraffe, said Dad. Again, said is a past tense. The baby, we're forgetting the baby. Even though the forgotten is a past tense. The present tense of this is forget. So turn around, cried. Cried is a past tense. Cried Mom. Back Dad drove past the park, round the corner, and down the road back to the house. The baby was still asleep in her car, sit just by the front door. Everyone squashed. So squash is a verb. So it is a past tense. Why? Because we add ed. Up and she was trapped. Even though this one, what is the role of this? You need to double the consonant before you add ed if it is one syllable. So in the car. Off we go again, said Dad briskly. Down the road they drove, past the park, round the corner and over the bridge. I can't wait to play my violin to Auntie, said Jean. Oh no, Dad, I've forgotten my violin. We have to go back. Back the drove, over the bridge, past the park, round the corner and down the road, back to the house. Then run. So, run, if you can see the spelling, the present tense of this one is RU, but the past tense is RA. Run in. Okay, so again, run is a past tense. Grab is a past tense. His violin and got back into the car. So the second part of the story is, okay, let's continue. Off we go again, said Dad crossly. Down the road they drove, past the park, round the corner, over the bridge, and along the river. I hope Auntie likes the flower I made. So, made is a past tense. The present tense of this make, okay? So, make, the past tense is made. Her said me. Oh no, Dad, I forgot in the present. We have to go back. Back Dad drove along the river, over the bridge, past the park, round the corner, and down the road back to the house. Me ran into the house and came. So came is a past tense. So the present tense of came is come. Okay. Came back with her origami flowers. Off we go again, said Dad sadly. Down the road they drove, past the park, round the corner, over the bridge, along the river, and finally they arrived. So arrive is a past tense. We add ed. At Auntie's house. Here you are at last, said Auntie. Did you remember the cake? So from this story, okay, if you can see the word was. So was is a verbs to be. Okay, it's a past tense. So here, your homework today. Okay, you are going to identify 10 past tense verb. Okay, from the story. I already said to you about what are the past tense here. So what you are going to do is just write it in your reading comprehension copybook, okay? And follow this format. Write the date, okay? And write the 10 verb. Okay, I need only the past tense. And after that, you take a photo and send to Toward in assignment. Okay? So that is all for today.